Hi all, Renee here. I just got this in the mail. This is the Fat Quarter Shop Stitch Quarterly that just was released. So I was gonna open it with you. I haven't even looked at it yet. So it comes in this really cool mesh project bag. The bag itself is, let's see, this is a 12-inch ruler. So it's probably 13 inches by 9. So 13 by 9. Nice little zipper. It slides very easily. Little probably pleather tag here that says Fat Quarter Shop on it. But I love this design. I really do. So let's see what's inside. So cute little ribbon. Of course, I will save the ribbon like I always do for card projects and other projects. Cute. So we'll go ahead and see what's in here. It looks like we have DMC this time. So let's open it all up. Okay, so first we have John James, and I don't know what size this needle is. It probably tells me somewhere in here. Oh, quick needle, a cute little enamel needle binder. So it's going to be magnetic. So cute. I love that. Looks like we get 6 colors of DMC, blank, 3846, 16, 738, 721, and 666. So there's the DMC colors that we get. Cross stitch finishing dots. Includes 240 dots. I am guessing you can put this on board to make it sticky board. I'm guessing. Huh. That's interesting. Well, I've never used anything like that. Let's look at the pattern. Hello, Summer. Oh, very cute. Very cute with the little, all the popsicles. Very cute. So here's what you get in the, oh, and then the fabric is a navy 14 count from Wichelt, 11 inch by 12 3/4. And you get your cross stitch pattern, your fabric, your needle minder. The needle is a size 26, John James needle. Okay, so let's read what these are about. 3/4 inch cross stitch finishing dots are an all-around great notion to achieve fantastic FFOs. This acid-free double-sided adhesive is strong and permanent and so easy to use. So yeah, I'm guessing if you don't have the sticky board to put your finish on, you can use this to sort of create a sticky board. That'll be interesting to see. And there's actually quite a few sheets in here. I'm pretty surprised. I'm curious how much this would retail for. I'll look on their website. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sticky dots. And I'm going to peel one up and just see if I can peel one up. See how sticky it is. Yeah, that's pretty sticky. Yep, that is pretty sticky. I'll be curious how difficult it is to peel off once you put it on your board and then try to peel it back off again, how easy it is. But that's an interesting notion. So I'll be curious to see how that works. Worst case scenario, I'll use it on something else if I don't end up using it on finishing. So really excited. This is very cute. I love the way it was finished. I'm guessing that Priscilla from Priscilla and Chelsea from Stitching with the Housewives probably finished it for her. I think this would also be a cute little pillow to sit on a tray. They've been doing that. Priscilla and Chelsea have been doing the tiered tray. This might be cute to sit on a tray. I love this fabric. Really, really pretty color. So that is the Stitch Quarterly for this quarter. If you got one of these, let me know what you think of it. I think it's a win. I like it. I think it's a really cute pattern. Sorry for the glare. I think it's a really cute pattern. It looks fairly simple. I love the colors. The colors are really fun. And the colors against this blue fabric, really, really pretty. I'm really excited to work on this one. I think it's going to look really nice. So thank you so much for watching this quick little video today showing you this unboxing. And I will see you in the next one. Hope you have a great day. Bye.